Hi guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how I make my ogbono soup. My favorite leaf when making ogbono soup is bitter leaf. You know, you can still make ogbono soup with ugu leaf, that is pumpkin leaf, and which other leaf again? Please tell me what you use in making your ogbono soup in the comment section. I crave for that taste it gives when I drink water after eating, so that's the reason why I go for bitter leaf. No other leaf can give me that taste. So I'll begin by steaming the cow skin and cow leg. I add onions to mine, even though some persons they don't like onion in their ogbono soup. You can use chicken, beef, goat meat, any protein of your choice, but today I chose to use just these ones. As we go, you will see the remaining proteins I'll be using for this soup. So I'll add some seasoning cubes, salt, mix everything properly, add some water and allow to cook. If I wasn't using pressure pots, I wouldn't have added water immediately. I would have cooked for some minutes to allow the seasoning to get really into the meat before adding water. This is called hot marinating. So I moved to cleaning my catfish with hot water and the salt. If you like to see your full fish in your soup without scattering, like after cooking, this is how you wash your catfish. My brocoto and Kpanla is now ready. What is brocoto? The cow leg. I'll be adding some stockfish fillets. It doesn't take time to cook, so that's why I'm adding it now. I'll go ahead to dissolve the ogbono with red oil. I've already ground it and I added little crayfish to it. So I'm back to see what is happening in my pot. Wow, the stockfish is halfway done now. I'll be adding some Kpanla fish and already washed catfish. Then I will go ahead to add little water and cover to cook for about 7 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes. I added extra salt off camera since I added more water so that the taste won't go off. I'll be scooping everything out now from the pot. This is to allow the pot have enough space to accommodate the ogbono when it starts giving us some legworks. You know, as ogbono did too. I transfer the stock to the pot I'll be using for this soup. So I'll add more water and cover and allow to boil. Here is the pepper I'll be using for the soup. The yellow Habanero pepper. It has a very wonderful flavor. Like I am adding just one scotch bonnet pepper to it. So I'll be adding Ogiri Okpei. I melted it in water. You can equally grind yours together with crayfish. Please, can someone tell me the English name in the comment section? Ogiri Okpei. I know of locust beans, the other, you know, the main ogiri. I'm adding periwinkle. You know, ogbono soup without periwinkle is that one ogbono soup. I use the periwinkle and Kpanla fish to build the foundation of the soup. so it won't be shaky. So I'll be tasting now. It's not yet perfect. Salt and seasoning, so I'll go ahead to add extra seasoning cube. Now it is there. I add my pepper. I crush the pepper, but I know it will still blend at the end. You will see now. Now I'm adding the Ogbono. Followed by our already cooked proteins and bonnet. I'm very careful with this catfish, so I gently stir for everything to combine and cover for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, I added the bitter leaf and crayfish off camera. Do you know the reason why all these things were happening off camera? It wasn't my fault though. I was thinking that the camera was doing its job without knowing that the battery has gone flat. Oh my god.
They have left you behind.
Continue.
And I covered my pot again for another 2 to 3 minutes for the bitter leaf to cook. No, bitter leaf is not like ugu leaf that will just, once you put it, you obviously have to allow it to cook so that the flavor, the taste will come out. So that is why you are seeing bitter leaf in this soup now. Sorry I didn't show you that part, but that was actually what happened. So that is my pot of Ogbono soup. As you can see, everything is ready. Everything is doing very well. And guys, this is it. Tell me the truth, like, isn't it appetizing? Wow. Guys, please don't forget to like this video as you're watching. Also drop your comments now. Big comment. No. And also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Even if you have subscribed, I know you have family and friends, like you can share my links and they will subscribe, please. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.